The 2026 Nissan GT-R EV is widely regarded as the most significant evolution of Nissan's iconic Godzilla sports car, blending the brutal character and motorsport DNA of the GT-R lineage with the instantaneous torque, zero-emission capability, and sophisticated software control of next-generation electric vehicles. And while Nissan has yet to release a final UK price or production specification sheet, automotive analysts, enthusiasts, and concept reveals paint a clear picture of what to expect when the car launches. The price in the UK will likely reflect its position as Nissan's flagship performance halo car, with the outgoing GT-R Nismo already priced above £150,000, meaning the EV version will almost certainly command a higher figure due to the cost of its high-output battery pack, multi-motor drivetrain, lightweight composite chassis components, and extensive R&D. A realistic expectation for UK buyers would be a price band between £150,000 and £300,000 depending on trim level, options, and weather. Nissan produces a standard GT-R EV alongside a low-volume Nismo or Track Edition variant aimed at collectors. The performance expectations are nothing short of extreme, with concept cars such as the Nissan Hyperforce hinting at power outputs in excess of 1,000 horsepower, some reports even quoting 300+ HP for show cars, though those numbers should be seen as promotional rather than production-ready. Yet even a toned-down version would almost certainly deliver sub-3 second 0 to 60 miles per hour times, potentially dipping below 2.5 seconds in top trim, and a top speed governed more by aerodynamics and tire limitations than by available motor power. The key to the GT-R EV's character will not just be its acceleration but its repeatability and thermal management, because electric drivetrains must cope with sustained power draws on track, so expect Nissan to develop advanced battery cooling solutions, upgraded inverters, and torque vectoring software that keeps performance consistent over multiple laps, which is crucial for a car with the GT-R's racing pedigree. The design language will be a bold evolution of the familiar wide-body GT-R silhouette, with an even more futuristic look incorporating sharp creases, vented bodywork, and active aerodynamic elements like deployable wings and diffusers to manage downforce, allowing the car to switch between low-drag road settings and high downforce track configurations, while the interior will blend the stripped-back, driver-focused ergonomics that fans expect with cutting-edge technology including fully digital driver displays, a large central infotainment interface, configurable telemetry screens, and premium materials such as carbon fiber, Alcantara, and lightweight alloys to create an environment that feels purposeful on a circuit yet comfortable enough for long-distance GT driving. Underneath, the parts and chassis will likely be purpose-built, with a rigid structure to house the battery pack low in the floor for a low center of gravity, bespoke suspension geometry with adaptive dampers and adjustable ride height to suit road or track use, huge performance brakes with regenerative integration and possibly carbon ceramic discs for fade resistance, ultra-wide tires on forged lightweight wheels, and a multi-motor setup delivering fully variable torque distribution between front and rear axles as well as side-to-side torque vectoring for sharper cornering. The feature list will be rich and modern, including Nissan's upcoming bi-directional charging technology scheduled to roll out from 2026, which will allow GT-R EV owners to use their car as a mobile energy source or participate in vehicle-to-grid schemes, over-the-air software updates to improve driving modes, stability control calibration, and battery management algorithms. A suite of advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise, collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring that can be disabled or tuned for track use, integrated launch control systems tuned to exploit the instant torque of electric motors, and track telemetry with lap timing and data export for enthusiasts. Because weight is the enemy of agility, expect Nissan to make extensive use of aluminium, carbon fiber, and other composites to keep mass under control, and to offer optional lightweight packs or Nismo editions with further stripped-back interiors, roll cage options, and even more aggressive aero for customers who want a track-focused weapon. While there remains speculation that Nissan might offer a hybridized R36 GT-R as a bridge between the outgoing petrol-powered model and a future full EV, the company's public investment in EV platforms and the dramatic Hyperforce concept reveal indicate that a fully electric GT-R is a serious possibility, and its arrival will mark not just a technological milestone for Nissan but also a philosophical one, proving that a supercar can still be visceral, emotional, and devastatingly fast without an internal combustion engine. For UK buyers, the GT-R EV will represent a statement purchase, a car that combines heritage with sustainability, capable of monstrous straight-line speed, aggressive cornering performance, and cutting-edge EV features, but also one that will carry a significant price tag and will demand that owners think about charging infrastructure, home energy integration, and possibly new insurance and servicing paradigms compared to the petrol GT-R. Overall, the 2026 GT-R EV promises to be one of the most exciting performance EVs on the horizon, a technological showcase for Nissan, and a worthy successor to the GT-R name, but until Nissan publishes the official UK specification, performance numbers, and on-the-road pricing, enthusiasts will continue to speculate and wait eagerly for the day the first production cars roll off the line and bring the next chapter of Godzilla to life in a silent, electrically charged roar.